Jurassic Park.
Jeff, what's up with the zebra pants?
Jeff, do you remember Death Wish?
I remember it, yeah.
How old were you when you did it for me? Because he's told us.
You know, I was 22.
Jeff, good idea for Uganda to become the next Jurassic Park?
What?
Good idea for Uganda to become the next Jurassic Park? Kanye wants to turn Uganda into the next Jurassic.
Oh, I don't know about that. I have to think about that.
Yeah, he's help tourism there.
Oh, I see.
Would you do a duet with the Amy Winehouse as a hologram?
They were great in the deep cover.
Thank you, my friend.
What do you think of your $600 statue they have? This is what they got of you there. Look at that.
I like it very much.
Is it worth $600 or?
Chill.
Sexy pose. Yeah, it's a sexy pose. Look at that.
The picture look good. My friend take it for me.
Is there any? Yeah, we'll give it again. We gotta do it again. Come here.
Okay, come here, front. Don't worry.
Okay, I'm counting 2, 3, okay? 1, 2, 3.
God bless you. God bless your wife.
It's a good picture.
Thank you so much. Thank you. 10 speed.
Oh, thanks. I gave him a check.
Yeah, he got it already.
You got it?
Who's your favorite rock band?
The Beatles.
I like to move it live.
You did?
I have it.
Those pants is inspired by, what are those pants
Jazz album
inspired?
comes out November 9th. Oh, thank you, guys.
Thank you.
All right.
Nice.
You're the best.
Thank you,
man.
Jeff.
So sweet, thanks.
What do you think about Kanye saying he's the best living recording artist right now?
You go to Africa soon? Go to Africa? Because your pants look like the zoo.
Thanks, guys.
All right, Jeff. Hey, Jeff, have a good night.
Big smile. Oh, gotcha.